Everyone wants success. Everyone wants to change their life. But most people fail, not because success is impossible, but because they believe big results need big actions. They wait for the perfect day, the perfect plan, the perfect opportunity, and while waiting, their dreams fade away. But what if I told you that success is not about giant leaps, but about small steps? What if just 1% improvement each day could completely change your life? Let me tell you a story of a boy named Ahmed. Ahmed was an ordinary student, average in studies, average in sports, average in almost everything. Every time he compared himself with others, he felt small. His friends scored better, spoke better, and lived with more confidence. He tried to change himself many times, but the burden of becoming perfect overnight always crushed him. He studied hard for 1 week, but soon gave up. He joined the gym, but quit after 10 days. He tried to wake up early, but failed within 3 days. Every time he failed, he told himself, maybe I'm just not good enough. And slowly he started believing that he was destined to remain average. One day, Ahmed met his grandfather, who was quietly polishing an old wooden chair in the courtyard. He asked, "Grandfather, why do you spend hours polishing this old chair? It will never look new again." His grandfather smiled and said, "Do you see these tiny strokes of polish? They look small, but each one is adding shine. Slowly, with patience, the chair will glow again." Ahmed was confused. His grandfather continued, "Life is like this chair, my child. You don't need to change it all at once. Just add a little shine every single day, one stroke at a time. That's the secret of transformation." These words struck Ahmed deeply. He decided to try this 1% rule in his own life. Instead of aiming for 3 hours of study, he started with just 15 minutes. Every day, he added only 5 more minutes. Instead of forcing himself to run 5 kilometers, he started with 5 push-ups, then slowly added 1 more each day. Instead of trying to become fluent in English overnight, he learned just 5 new words a day. At first, the progress was invisible. No one noticed the change. Even he felt nothing was happening. But after 30 days, his 15 minutes of study became 2 hours. His 5 push-ups became 50. His vocabulary grew to 150 new words. And most importantly, his confidence started shining. Months passed. Ahmed didn't become a genius overnight, but slowly his classmates began noticing his growth. He could answer more questions in class. His body looked stronger and healthier. He spoke more clearly, with confidence in his words. And one day, when he stood first in a school debate competition, even his teachers were shocked. They asked him, "How did you change so much?" Ahmed simply smiled and said, "I didn't change all at once. I just became 1% better every day." This is the hidden truth of success. You don't need giant leaps. You need tiny steps. 1% improvement daily may look small, but it compounds. 1% every day means 37 times better in just 1 year. Think about it. If you read just 10 pages a day, in 1 year you finish 12 to 15 books. If you save just $1 a day, in 1 year you build a saving habit stronger than people who wait for a big income. Success is not about intensity, it's about consistency. Small actions, repeated daily, create unstoppable momentum. So if you feel stuck, if you feel average, remember Ahmed's story. Don't try to change everything in 1 day. Instead, ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do today that makes me 1% better? Because greatness is not built in a day. Greatness is built daily. 1 stroke at a time, 1 step at a time, 1% at a time. And when you look back, you will realize those tiny steps created the giant leap you always dreamed of. Big success is nothing more than small improvements, done consistently. Your 1% today is your 100% tomorrow.